Hi guys, my name is Raza Rajwani. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to generate the Signed APK of React Native Android app. Although it's a super easy process, but still there are always some beginners who are in a problem that how we should generate a Signed APK and how it's being done and all of these. So I will go through all this process. Let's go start. So open the Google Chrome and search React Native Signed APK. Okay, the first official website reactnative.dev, you have to click on it. Okay, then these all the steps, okay, that we have to follow to generate the Signed APK. Okay, so let's copy this command first. Okay, you can need all these document later. Okay, and let open the our new project. Okay, that is our project that we have created before. Okay, just I will paste this command and enter. Okay, it will ask me to enter the password. I will enter 123456, enter 123456, and then it will ask me, okay, my first name and last name, and organization is structure code with Raza. I will put the same code with Raza, and city Jeddah, Makkah, SA. Okay, it will ask me about the confirmation that all this information is okay. Let me enter Y for yes. Okay, then again it will ask me to enter the password, the same password, 123456, 123456. Okay, now see this my upload key dot keystore, it has been created. Okay, let's open in the explorer. Okay, the first step, it is written there in the, okay, the first step after this. Okay, place the my upload key store file, okay, under the Android app store app directory. Okay, so I will just cut this file, cut, and Android, then app, I will paste here. Okay, so after that, uh, this we already have done. Okay, then edit the gradle.properties file. Okay, under the gradle.properties file. Okay, let's go back to our project, Android gradle, sorry, gradle.properties. Okay, let me this. Okay, so I have to copy this all settings, copy. Okay, paste the same parts password what I have written before, 123456, then again 123456. Okay, and I will save it. Okay, the second step we already have done. After that, these settings we have to copy in the Android app build.gradle file. Okay, so let's close this file, Android app, and what was the name, build.gradle. Yeah, this one. Okay, default.config, let's search this visit. Yeah, here. Okay, so we have to copy this settings. Okay, and then we will paste there. Okay, and the next thing is that build types, let us search build types. Yeah, this is okay, just we have to copy this one line under the release tag. Okay, then to generate the release apk, okay, so we have to go to the cd.android. Okay, let me, okay, we are in the pag, the main folder, root folder. We have to go under the Android folder. Okay, the next step is to create the bundle release. Okay, bundle release we will use when we have to publish any to the Google Play Store. Okay, then we can use this command. Okay, so we can use a assemble.release as well, assemble release. Okay, it will take time to execute this and to generate the apk. Okay, so we have to wait. It takes time to generate the apk. It's 99% has been done. Okay, so I think it will not take much more time. Okay, build successful. Okay, so then to get the apk we have to open this folder. Okay, and that is Android app, then src, sorry, build outputs apk release. Okay, so here we will find this apk file, apk. Okay, is that Okay, let's open the AVD manager. This is, we have one virtual machine. Let's open it. Okay, then we have to just drag there. Okay, it will install APK what we have generated now. Okay, so let us verify this APK is working or not. Okay, it's done. Let's go to the menu, BHG. Okay, it's working.